Hi guys, Del Monte is a well-known brand and in this video I'm going to show you review of Del Monte Tomato Ketchup Classic Blend. MRP of this 900 gram pack is 130 rupees, but you get this one from Amazon for rupees 99 and 1 year is the shelf life. This pack is classic one. They also have no onion, no garlic tomato ketchup and sweet and spicy ketchup. So the packaging, it's pretty convenient and easy to store, use. You are recommended to keep this in the refrigerator once you open the pack. And the texture of the tomato ketchup, it has a thick, smooth texture which makes it easy to spread on food. Its texture strikes the smoothness and it is non-sticky. Coming to the taste, it's not too sweet nor too sour. It's just the perfect to complement any dish. It offers the perfect blend of sweet and tangy flavor. It tastes great with sandwich, pakoda, fries, burger and even with chilas. But please keep it in mind that tomato ketchup is not a healthy food. It's actually a junk food. It contains lot of sugar. So consume it in moderation. And if you are looking for a ketchup, so why wait? Add Del Monte tomato ketchup to your grocery list and add some taste to your life. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video useful, subscribe. Bye bye.